tip, wood versus composite decking.
So we're getting into the season where it's just a joy to be able to sit on your back deck. You may be thinking of replacing your deck or building a new one. Composites are essentially made of plastic, wood, fiber, and additives. And wood is just wood.
From a tree.
From a tree.
Okay, so my favorite is the composite deck, and here's why. There's no termites to worry about. There's don't have to worry about those bees boring into the wood. Hate those.
Yeah.
No splinters on your feet. It's low maintenance. It lasts longer. But here's the two negatives. It's a little more pricey, and when that sun beats on it, ooh, can really burn your feet.
My preference is wood. It's a natural product. It keeps cooler on your feet. I like the ability that I can paint my deck any color I want, and it's less expensive than a composite.
We are the McLaughlin Summer Team from Century 21 Redwood in Ashburn.
Please subscribe to get more tips.